Thank you for being here. Let's move our bodies in dynamic ways on day 20 of our 40-day journey. We're going to start with a simple march, slowly but surely. We're going to wake up our bodies, start to build that inner energy as we focus on a little bit of cardio and balance today. As I found this very unique spot to stay dry. Now it's about finding places with no snow or ice that we can move on, just because it is wonderful to not slip and slide. Although we've built these beautiful bodies that we can have trust and confidence in because we show up every day for ourselves. Okay, continue with your march. Sweep your hand across, twist into it. Try to move continuously throughout the 10-minute or so session. Let's keep our heart rates up. Slow down if you need to, but just keep moving so that we can build incredible language skills as well as cardiovascular endurance and balance. Twist a little deeper. Bring the leg up a little higher if you can. Brilliant. Now, get ready and let's move laterally. Just move as far as in your space as you can. Get up on the balls of your feet. Every time we're on the balls of our feet, we are building core stability, which is going to help us with our balance. Think of finding places that are unique, that can help you move dynamically. So we move with this childlike quality, seeing the world as opportunities to create balance and strength, to have fun, to be more childlike. Just move. You got it. Great. Now, we're gonna sidestep and open up. Head up high, chest open wide. Tap that toe out as far as you can. Really point the toe. Feel the ankle as we build mobility. As well in this session, there's nothing we can't do. We show up for ourselves and move dynamically daily. When you're ready, pick up the pace a bit. You start to feel it in the shoulders and the upper back. Brilliant. Nicely done. Okay, now we're gonna squat with a bit of pace, so more like a pulse squat. You go as deep as you like. The idea here is, yes, to build leg strength and mobility, but keeping that heart rate up. So move with pace, head up. You can breathe into it. Do what works best for you. Modify, of course. We're not comparing ourselves to anyone else. Not to our former selves or our future selves. Where we're at right now is perfect. So just find the movement that you can do and go with it. Excellent. One more. Yes. Arms are coming overhead. Often in our cardio movements, I love some variation of jumping jacks. Jumping still isn't quite available to me yet, but swing your arms overhead. Keep them behind your back as well. Behind your head, excuse me. You're gonna feel that mobility in the upper back, shoulders. But let's pick up the pace a bit. Tap that toe out. Oh, yes. You got it. Don't forget to smile. We get to move today. Yes. What better way to show ourselves self-love than to move dynamically with pace, with curiosity, with wonder and joy. Oh, excellent. Ooh, last one there. Widen your stance a bit. Arms out. Hinge at the hips a bit. Bend down if you can. And just swing your arms. A little bit of pace. side to side. Side lunge. Yes. And already, we're going to come up from this movement. Change the twist a bit. Come up off your heel, twisting, and whenever you're ready, add the balance element to it. Come up off your foot, twisting, turning, balancing. It works. This truly is medicine. A privilege, not a punishment. One more here, and then I would like to side leg, lift, prayer possibly, head up, totally focused. Maybe you have a chair or something nearby. If you need assistance, by all means, just do your best. Engage the core, the entirety of your trunk. It's building core strength, back health and stability. Let's go to the other side. You'll find one side is better than the other. Yes, this is nice. This maybe helps a little bit wherever you're at. This adds another dynamic, maybe a little bit more challenging. I seem to be having a decent balanced day. Yesterday was not the same. We just never know. Embrace the mystery, all of it. We're not supposed to know. We're just supposed to keep exploring, keep experiencing. Oh, yeah. Excellent. One more there. Down with one hand, up. Down with the other. If you'd like, you can come up onto the balls of your feet when you come up. If you like, you can pop. I love the pop squat. The little bit of jumping and landing is helping us with bone density. It is helping us with balance, stability, and coordination. But the little jump might not be there for you. Come up off your heels. Or just move with pace. Down. It's fun when we get to choose our own adventure. Yes. A couple more. Well done. Side step. Arms come up. Keep that heart rate up. This is the good stuff. Maybe you're feeling it. Hopefully you are. Yes, we are unlimited. 20 days, halfway through our 40-day challenge. How do you feel? Let me know. Do you feel stronger, more mobile, better balanced? You can hover that foot off the ground if you like. Keep creating better balance. Find spots that are uneven, undulating terrain. So good. Go for walks in the woods, over the rocks, the stones, the branches, the twigs, the roots. This helps us with building stability, coordination, balance, strength. That's the point of showing up here, so we can get out as spring comes, go on longer walks, climb higher mountains. You got it. Okay, well done. Up on the balls of your feet again, and let's shake it out. All the way to your fingertips, to your toes, and move laterally again. And also forwards and backwards. Just shake it all out. Again, up on the balls of our feet. Need to engage the core, side to side, forwards and back. Ooh. Oh, we come back into the middle. Kick that leg out. Reach down a little bit. See how high you can get your foot up, how close you can get to touching your toes. With pace to start, and then we'll slow it down as this is mobility and cardio. And we slow it down and hold there for a moment. Now we're building that balance. If you notice yourself getting out of breath, connect to the breath. See how much more quickly you recover. Slow here. You see when you slow it down, it's when the balance goes. That's why walking meditations are so great. Helps you to realize how walking is a balancing exercise. One more to each side. Hold it for an extra moment. Hold it. I hope that was as fun for you as it was for me. Just because I'm feeling it now. Let's finish with our penguin, side to side, anytime, any day. The penguin can lead the way. Point your toe, move slowly, breathe into one side, out to the other. Maybe you want to find one spot to focus on. Let's just be together for the last 30 seconds or so. Oh, well done. Next time you're out, find a spot that's a little uneven and try practicing the penguin just for a different dynamic, just more fun. Have the greatest week. Have a great day. I will see you again tomorrow. Well done. Goodbye.